if you want to connect jack headphones into the Motorola Moto G86 5G, then you can for sure do this, but only if you have this adapter from USB-C into 3.5 millimeter. So this feature will allows you, this device will allows you to listen to the wired method on this device. And if you are wondering what kind of the adapter you can get, then basically any, because I've got 3 different one and I just purchased them on Temu and it's like super cheap. This one was like for $1. This one was a little bit expensive. It was around $5 and this one cost around $10. And even this cheap one works. Of course the quality is different, so I will recommend you to purchase this one. That's the name and specs of this one. But yes, it works. If you have an old adapter in your house, you can still try to use it. And that's pretty much it, the information that you are looking for.